welcome back to my channel. Glad you could be here. Today, as the title says, it's kind of, it is a new eyeshadow palette, but it's kind of new everything. Just some odd ends that I've been picking up here and there. So, and we will be doing my new everyday look. So, I had a brain fart, but nothing you guys aren't expecting. And if you're not, and you're new, expect it. This is what happens. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's head on over into the video. Let's get started with a couple of things that I'm already using. I have discovered nothing new, but the True Match powder foundation. Well, not powder foundation, I shouldn't say foundation, it's just a powder. This is in the color C3, and I love this baby. It's my kind of new favorite setting powder right about now. On to my beauty tools. I'm cheap. If, again, you're new here and you don't know, and now you know. I don't believe that you have to spend a whole bunch of money to look great, look fabulous, and whatnot. I mean, nothing wrong with that. That's what you prefer to do. Great. Amen. Praise the Lord. But me personally, no. So, and these brushes that I'm about to show you have been working for me for years. So, just stay heads up. The majority of these I did get on Amazon. You can still get them there. But yeah, this is what I've been using. So a lot of these come in packs, and I like that. To me, that's a bargain. I'm not going to pay $7 for just a brush. Okay, I pay $7. I need at least 5 brushes for $7. That's just my thinking. Anyway, so here's one brand. It is Low Spoo HY, and I usually just use the foundation brush and the fluffy brush for contouring. Again, like I said, it comes in a pack, so this is where the rest of the brushes are hiding in their pack. So and I don't remember, it won't tell me on here. Oh yeah, it is. No, it won't. That's the order number. I don't know how many brushes come in here, but I think this is a 16 pack. Oops, sorry. It's a 16 pack. So it comes with powder brushes and foundation brushes and all the eye brushes that you would need. Contouring brushes, spoolies for your eyebrows, stuff like that. So, but yeah, these are technically the only 2 brushes I use out of the whole pack. I actually just wanted the foundation brush and a good fluffy brush. So let's try that. Another brand I use is Beaky. Again, here's what the brushes are. This is a smaller pack. I think this is a 12 pack. And again, I just use the foundation brush and another fluffy brush from them for my powdering under the eyes. This is the brush I'm using in my videos. So those are the 2 brushes I use, and sometimes I use their blush brush. Not really, but that's what I'm going with right now. Now these interesting little brushes, I will admit, and these are recent. I bought these a month ago. I bought him for the handle. Let's be honest. I bought it for the handle, and I like the color. So this is my highlighter brush. It's the angled brush and whatnot. This came with a package. It came with a little beauty sponge thing with a handle, but I'm not going to use it, so I got rid of it. And this is a makeup brush cleaner. So you put it, it has this little handle suction cup, so you put it on your sink and scrub, 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 scrub. And see, you see all these brushes. It's a smaller pack. I think this is a 10-piece. It comes in this little thing. But yeah, I use this and a powder brush. So, but yeah, I basically bought it because it was cute and I was hankering for a new brush. So other than that, and then, well, let's get to the actual box. BS Mall. Now they have a whole bunch of brushes, packs and stuff like this. They have them. The previous brushes are relatively under $10. $10 and under for those. These come in all price ranges. You can even pay up to $24 for a brush set, depending on what you want. But I do like them. These are the brushes, the brush set that I got, which is a wooden handle and a rose gold. Very fluffy. And they come in this box. And so far, I love them. I use majority of I've actually never tried these. I do have these set out, but I'm waiting for actually a specific eyeshadow palette to use these brushes. But I do use the foundation brush though. So I love it. So these are just a couple of brands you can find on Amazon. I will have the link in the description box for all of those, so I won't leave you hanging. Next is a Dollar Tree find. I don't wear fake lashes often enough for me to be buying packs and Ardell's and everybody else. It's like I prefer to wear my own lashes, but I do know that, you know, sometimes the look requires more lash. So I stock up on these ioni, and I hope I'm not butchering that, but I could be. Dollar Tree Wispy lashes. Now these are the old packaging. As you can see, they came in dollar signs, hearts, stuff like these. But I just realized that I bought the same lashes, just in new packaging. But these are the Natural Light dolls in the red. Very cute. And here they are in their new packaging. So this is old, this is the new, but they're basically the same lashes. Natural Light doll. So these are the Wispy Natural Light in their old packaging, and in their new packaging is this one. Now, the only difference between these two is this says Wispy Natural Light. They reworded it and said Natural Light Wispy. So, but it's basically the same lashes. New packaging, old packaging. New wording, old wording. So those are those. Now, let's get into the more interesting stuff that you're here for. And I did another not a mini haul. I won't even say that. I basically bought, Revolution did it again. They got 2 more Disney princesses eyeshadow books. Took me a minute. Sorry, that was really a harsh rub of the nose. But anyway, so they came out with a Snow White book. So same deal. They got the iconic red, blue, and yellows in here. So very forest greeny colors in their shadows. So can't wait to play with that. Then they came out with the Sleeping Beauty palette. And this is the only one with a 2-tone book. Everybody else is gold. Sleeping Beauty was special. She got 2-toned. So, very pinky, kind of romantic-y looking. So, can't wait to play with that either. Oh, and I forgot to say what their thing is. Sleeping Beauty is Once Upon a Dream. I know you, once upon a dream. And Mirror, Mirror on the Wall. Classic, classic. I bought a new eyeshadow palette. It is strictly metallics, so I'm just thinking foils, stuff like that. Profusion no longer sells this on their website, so you have to get this on Amazon. Again, I'll leave the link and description. I'll leave the description for everything. I mean, link for everything in my description box. Oh, hello, lights. Got it from Marshall's, and this is the Revolution Mix Maxi Reloaded palette. I, crazy enough, bought it for that color and that color. That's what sold me on this palette, these two colors. So this will be interesting to play with. It has actually a bit more shimmers than mattes in it, so I'm not all too mad about it. Paid $7 for it. And this was compared at, I think, $14. So we'll see. And oh, I forgot a little eyeshadow palette that you can get on the website. So that came in with my princess palettes, and this is their, I think, their only one that's all matte. Usually they have these are shimmers, but this is the eyeshadow palette. So these are my colors. Of course, I got a boring one, and they all have different ones. This one is Motivate. They have Courage, Brave, Fantasy. So $3. Alrighty, let's get these things out of the way. Ta-da! And our first product is, of course, my putty primer for the eyes. Going with a flat synthetic brush. Get in your pot real good. And this is still a favorite of mine, but let me warn you, it can get a little, especially in the cold, it can get a little stale. So make sure you don't keep this by a window or anything like that. It'll be hard as a brick. Not that I would know, but I'm just assuming. Because like all putties, it kind of dries out. All right, back. So we'll be going into the basics palette. A bunch of browns, nude colors, and you'll need your eyeshadow brush. My face is, I like to use my face instead of doing that, because, yeah. And a blending brush. And we'll be going into this very light color right here with your eyeshadow brush. And you'll just be tapping into that. And then just sweep that all over the lid. Excuse me when I get my mirror. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. So yeah, just sweep that all over the lid. And then blending brush, and we'll be going into this and this color right here, this one and this one, and we'll swirl into each one, tap, and then just buff into the outer V, the crease. The eye. Look at that kind of terracotta brown look. And see this combination of shadows and colors are pretty much neutral, so they will go with any outfit. And easy peasy, one palette. And that's it for that. And you go in with your desired liner. You can do a brown liner. I actually like a black liner. And no specific shape, just whatever you feel like doing. Keep it pretty natural today. Oh, my hand is shaking for some odd reason. Ta-da! So we'll fast forward this part because, you know, it's eyes. Great. Now that we're done with that, mascara.
Whatever is your poison of the day.
And that's about it. Oh, and then a lip. I forgot. I go between Wet n Wild's cat suit, Give Me Mocha, and Milani's signature matte. What is this? 09 Velvet. So whichever one. And I use my trusty old as dirt raisins Revlon lip liner, so we'll do a little of that. Line the lips. And I feel like the cat suit because it's a little bit more up my alley today. And there we have it. Usually I actually don't even do the lips because if I'm wearing this look, it means I'm going out, which means I'm going to be wearing a mask. So that's why technically, and I'll put a little gel brow, what did I say? Gel brow? Clear gel in my brows and call it a day. This is my everyday look. So I have a mask on, so I don't bother with foundation or anything else. I mean, you can if you want to. Always optional. But this is it. This is it. I mean, because basically all you're seeing is eyes and up. So, but yeah, that's my updated everyday look when I have to look like something. And I hope you like this video. And stay tuned for future more interesting videos. Till next time, bye.